Auzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. And hi everyone. First and foremost, I want to thanks to our lecturer for ISA subject, Internet Security Assurance, Dr. Najwa Hayati, for giving us opportunity to deliver this presentation about CASB, which is Cloud Access Security Broker. First of all, my name is Nik Muhammad Najib bin Muhammad Nordin. 1171322 is my metric number. With another 4 candidates are responsible in completing this presentation. They are Muhammad Anwar Arif bin Muhammad Khair, 1170072, Ahmad Izzuddin bin Abdullah Zawawi, 1170070, Muhammad Luqmanul Hakim bin Muhammad Rosdi, 1170078, Muhammad Iqbal bin Ibrahim, 1171312. Alright, first, what is a CSB or Cloud Security Broker? A cloud access security broker is on-premises or cloud-based software that sits between cloud service users and cloud applications, and it monitors all activity and enforces security policies. So, CSB or Cloud Security Broker is used for CSP, which is a cloud service providers. Cloud service providers, CSP, are companies that offer network services, infrastructure, or business applications in the cloud. The cloud services are hosted in the data center that can be accessed by companies or individuals using network connectivity. So due to this, CSB falls under control number 15, which is wireless access control. I will pass it to Izzuddin.
So I will explain SB function. So SB provides security through 4 key functions. First is visibility into who is accessing what application. Second, using compliance with applicable regulation and policies. Third, using data security that manage who is accessing what data. Fourth, threat protection to identify and counter the high-risk activity. Next. Example of Oracle CASB integration with industry-leading cloud vendors. For example, Amazon Web Service. Oracle's CASB integration with AWS include a number of out-of-the-box key security indicators to build policies. One of these is editing your EC2 VPNs. Next. In the second picture, we can see that there are many multiple attempts to change VPN gateway. This attempt will trigger the policy alert that inform any change to instant EC2 VPNs. Next. On the third picture, we can see the detail of that particular policy and what the recommended action are. Now I will pass to Anwar.
And now we will discuss the explanation of the threat of the cloud service provider. Every software has the own vulnerability and the threat, which include the cloud service provider itself. The primary threat of the system is the economic denial of sustainability, which we call EDOS. It is a variation of the regular denial of service or the distributed denial of service attack. The cloud computing service will operate according to the service level agreement, which we call SLA, is between the cloud provider and the client. In this document will stipulate the level of service defined by the client, which the cloud provider will deliver. When DDoS occur, the cloud provider is responsible for responding to it with a timely manner and allocate as many financial resources as needed to neutralize the attack. Thus, the DDoS attack will turn into the EDOS attack with direct negative economical input, which means a serious reputational loss for the cloud provider. Next, and now, the DDoS attack can be breached into the cloud service provider, which can lead into a lot of threats that need to be focused on. There are 6 of the threats that we need to know now, which is the data breach or loss, the abuse of cloud services, illegal access to cloud system, authentication attack, malware attack, and lastly, the loss of encryption keys. Next. Across the year, there are several major companies that have their cloud data have been breached by the attack. Some of them include the Microsoft, Dropbox, National Electoral Institute of Mexico, LinkedIn, the Home Depot, Yahoo, and lastly the WWE, which we call the World Wrestling Entertainment. And now we'll move to Lukmanul.
Okay, many cloud access security, many cloud access security broker security features are unique compared with those offered by other security controls such as enterprise, web application, firewall, and secure web gateways, and may include the first one, data loss prevention, control over native feeders of cloud service like collaboration and sharing, threats prevention, often user and entity behavior analytics (UABA), malware detection, data encryption and key management, contextual access control. Next. So how cloud access security broker overcome the threats? The combination of cloud access security broker with sophisticated data loss prevention solution (DLP) allows IT the ability to see when sensitive content is traveling to or from the cloud, within the cloud, and cloud to cloud. By deploying security features like data loss prevention, collaboration control, access control, information rights management, encryption, and tokenization, enterprise data leaks can be minimized. Data security to help pinpoint anomalous user behavior. Cloud Access Security Broker can compile a comprehensive view of regular usage patterns and use it as a basis for comparison. With machine learning-based user and entity behavior analytics (UABA) technology, Cloud Access Security Broker can detect and remediate threats as soon as someone attempts to steal data or improperly gain access. To protect against the threats coming from cloud services, the Cloud Access Security Broker can use capabilities such as adaptive access control, static and dynamic malware analysis, prioritized analysis, and threat intelligence to block malware. Next. So how does a computer cloud access security broker work? The job of a cloud access security broker is to provide visibility and control over data and threats in the cloud to meet enterprise security requirements. This is done through a three-step process. First one, discovery, classification, and remediation. So the first one, discovery, the cloud access security broker solution uses auto discovery to compile a list of all third cloud services as well as who is using them. The second one, classification. What's the full extent of cloud usage is revealed. The cloud security broker then determines the risk level associated with each by determining what the application is, what sort of data is within the app, and how it is being shared. The third one, remediation. After the relative risk of each application is known, the cloud access security broker can use the information to set policy for the organization's data and user access to meet their security requirement and automatically take action when a violation occurs. We back to the Najib.
All right. So in a conclusion, CASB or falls under control number 15, which is wireless access control, and have a how is it work is under a 3 steps. First, discovery, second, the classification, and the third one is remediation. And that's all from our group. Thank you.